the majority of people, I would say, are not painting because there is friction surrounding the process. It's not necessarily that you're lazy or that you don't have the willpower or that you don't love painting enough or something like that. You aren't aware of what is necessary to create a space and to actually have materials to attack your goal. If you don't have the proper material space set up, all of these essential pieces of equipment and tools to actually go at it, to actually approach that challenging task, you're never going to have the motivation or the desire or the will to overcome when you don't feel like it. There is an inevitable shortcoming that will come as a result of not having the proper materials. If you have the proper materials, the proper setup, the proper design to your space to actually improve your own drive and your own capabilities, then you have a real possibility to create a masterwork, but not until then. Until you actually have that spark, until you have something that can start you down the right type of path, you're not going to ever succeed. You're not going to make a masterpiece using some secondhand Hobby Lobby type materials, right? You need something that's actually substantial, something that a master would use. And until you have those materials, I don't think you can even approach it. I don't think you can really go at it in the way that's necessary to really attack and try to make something substantial. So if your ultimate goal is to make a masterpiece, I don't think you are the problem per se. If you have, fallen short and you don't know why, you don't really want to do it. You don't know why your paintings aren't turning out how you want. It's probably just that you're unaware of what kind of materials can help you to achieve that goal. So if you want to paint like Rembrandt, if you want to paint like Titian, or if you want to paint like Nerdrum, join me for Material Mastery. This is going to cover absolutely everything you need to know about high quality painting materials, why they matter, how to actually use them, and how to create a space and a setup that will actually aid you in your pursuit instead of blocking you, preventing you. Click the link below to join me for Material Mastery.